Hello, it's Mooji with Mooji Truck Sales. I specialize in selling commercial trucks and I have a couple cars here and there. And I am gonna show you this. I'm here in Palmdale, California, and I'm gonna show you this beautiful 2014 Subaru Forester. It's an all-wheel drive. It has 54,000 miles. I got this vehicle from the government. It's fleet maintained, well maintained, good tires. You don't have to change the tires on this car. You're already saving money right there on that. So I'm gonna show you the body. It's clean title, no accidents. I want to show you myself, I forgot. Hello. So I got some chips here on the paint, a couple, and also there was a sticker here that was removed, so it shows a little bit but not very visible from far. Here also some chipping. You're gonna see there was a sticker here that we removed it to the best of our ability, but there's going to be still some light marks. Nothing major, nothing crazy. You can see this right here. You can see this. This, of course, it's the used car, so 2014, so it's not gonna be perfect. But there's no accidents, no dents. This here is a little bit loose. I want you to see everything on the car, so there's no surprises for you. So you know what's up. And as you can see, everything looks good here. All right, so, and again right here, but from far it looks perfect. No accidents, clean title, good tires, no oil leaks. All right, so I'm going to show you the interior. Automatic locks. This is the mirror controller. Seats are nice and clean. There's no rips or anything. Everything is intact, everything is together. Look at the roof. No leaking. There's no smell of smoke in this car. No serious staining or anything. Like I said, it was a government car. All right. Okay, and okay, I better get from the other side, and I'm gonna show you the trunk. Right here, and you can see seats. You got a spare tire right here, nice and roomy. This car has a turbo, so it's very strong. It drives really fast. And here we go. Show you from this side because the sun was shining against the other side, so maybe you couldn't see really well. All right, here is the front. Everything works. No check engine light. It passed the smog. Just old school, really simple. All right, so next I'm gonna show you as I start the car. Here's your key. Right here you got 3 keys. 2 are with the remote, and 1 doesn't have a remote. Let's start this car. Starts right away. No check engine light. And as you can see, 55,000 miles. I said 54 earlier. 55,000 miles. Let me run this car for you. Last thing I will do is show you the engine. Here we go. And I'm gonna pop the hood. I got the Carfax for this car. If you need it, let me know. There you have it. You can hear it sounds very nice. There you have it. Thank you.